In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the top 5 best tools for creating an online course. With these tools, you will be able to easily create professional and marketable online courses that will boost your income. Let's check out these tools. Thinkific. If you're looking for a cost-efficient and easy-to-use platform for creating, marketing, and selling your online course, you'll be interested in Thinkific. Thinkific is an all-in-one shop that will allow you to host, sell, and market your online course. It will provide you with course materials, give you instant access to your funds, and provide you with a custom domain and branded landing page for free. This tool is especially great for people who have a brand identity and want to save on money. In other words, it allows you to create a specific user experience at a much lower price than other similar options. Teachable. If you're not sold on Thinkific, another great all-in-one online course platform is Teachable. Teachable is a platform that will allow you to create and sell courses online. It can handle all phases of course creation, from web hosting to payment processing. This will allow you to focus on creating the best course possible without getting hung up on the technical details. Teachable is different from Thinkific in that it requires a paid plan, whereas Thinkific is designed for free use. This paid plan will obviously cost you a little bit of money, but it will result in a more professional look and design. Camtasia. Another great online course tool is Camtasia. One of the best ways to provide information on your online course is through videos. Videos allow you to cater your teaching methods to individual learning styles, but creating videos that look professional can be difficult for new users. With the help of Camtasia, though, creating and editing your videos will be much easier. Camtasia allows you to record and edit videos so that way they look like professionally filmed videos. It is especially great for recording PowerPoint presentations with integrated voiceover. Overall, Camtasia is a great tool for those who want to integrate demonstrations and tutorials into their online course. WP Courseware. If you're looking for a cost-efficient WordPress LMS plugin to help you create classes, share your coursework, and evaluate student progress with quizzes, you will be interested in WP Courseware. This plugin is so effective that many of the top schools around the globe use WP Courseware. The University of Illinois and the University of Wisconsin-Madison are just 2 examples. This plugin is much more affordable than other plugin options and come with an on-site demo, similar to a free trial. It also comes with a member portal, a visual designer, gradebooks, an integrated e-commerce plugin option, and more. Canva. One of the best tools to help you upgrade your online course is Canva. Canva is a super simple and cheap tool that will help you create visually appealing PDF workbooks for your students. If you do not have a pre-existing brand, Canva will provide you with a number of layout suggestions and fonts. With Canva for Work, though, you can integrate a pre-existing brand identity into your Canva creations. Better yet, Canva will help you to create different flyers and social media posts that you can then use to market your online course on other mediums. This will allow your marketing to look professional and connected to the course content.